Presenting Oppo Find X2. .5 inches AMOLED display, 1.20 Hz refresh rate. In-display fingerprint scanner, Corning Gorilla Glass 6. (4500 mAh battery, 50-watt fast charging). Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 system on chip, octa-core processor. GB or 12 GB of RAM. (256 GB or 512 GB internal storage, non-expandable memory. (32 megapixel pop-up front camera). (60 megapixel plus 20 megapixel plus 12 megapixel camera). 30x digital zoom, also 50x optical zoom. Expected price is $640, £490 and 45,000 rupees, 32,000 Filipino pesos. Expected launch on March 2020.